Good morning, everybody, or good afternoon, good evening, whenever it is that you're watching this. We're stuck inside this week, so we're gonna build this pantry wall here and get the door framed up. We gotta do a little bit of demo. Like I said before, trash can's still not here. Truck's broke down. We might have to go with a different option on that. So I'm gonna do minimal demo. Let me turn you guys around. So I gotta do a little bit of demo there on that wall, that masonry, the brick right there, and we also have to do a little bit of demo up here on the ceiling so I can get that top plate for my wall in there. And yeah, we'll get this door framed up, get this wall framed, and we'll have a pantry. So stay tuned for that. We'll put you on time lapse and we'll get going.
I'm a rolling stone, bound to roam. Come the morning, or I'll be gone. Pouring rain, oh, to hear that train. There she comes, won't you get on? Won't you get on board? Watch the trees, falling leaves, like the breeze, won't you blow on? Take a sip, I'ma pack my grip. One more trip, and I'ma move on. I'ma move on. Across the track, don't look back. All the jack, won't you roll on? City lights, what blinds your eyes? Don't look twice, won't you go on? fall apart. Tunnel vision, hiding in the dark. Well, I ain't gonna holler before I really bleed. Salvation, a quick fix remedy. You said I never could change. I thought I never could change. They said I never could change. Damn right I never would. Leave the light on. Leave the light on. Just leave the light on. Yeah, leave the light on. If I'll ever change, been dreaming of Nashville, Tennessee, while the cold here in Sweden got the best of me. Well, haven't I got better shit to think about than that shit? Like deadlines, rent's due, bills pile up, family day in, day out, the clock's mocking me, getting old, oh, got the kids, deserve so much more than this, gotta get rich. You said I never could change. I thought I never could change. They said I never could change. Damn right I never would. Leave the light on. Leave the light on. Leave the light on. Just leave the light on. If I'll ever change, if I'll ever change, if I'll ever change, if I'll ever change, if I'll ever change. What's a man got to do to get a woman like you? What's a man got to do to touch a woman like you? What's a man got to do to get a woman like you?
All right, guys, I got it done. I can't do that part because I want to put a whole piece there, but it's in there. The window's in. Still gotta shave that foam over there and tape it, but I like it. Came out pretty good. I'll take you guys inside so you can see it inside. It's kind of hard to see because of the exposure, but it's in. I foamed it. Yes, I know it's fire foam, but if you read on it, it does say it you can use it as insulation. So we're all good there. That's it. Gotta clean up, and we'll keep on going next week. Stay tuned.